Next up, timber for Banshee. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. This is the first quest that we have with them, and essentially we need to eliminate the leader of the hostile group occupying the sawmill. So make your way over to the sawmill here on the far west side of the map and just clear it out completely. You'll probably also have a similar mission from Handshake. I saw, I conquered 3, in which we just need to kill everyone that's there. 20 AI, so let's do it. So approaching the sawmill, I assume the boss will be somewhere near the center. I'll just go around clearing everything, and I'll let you know when I find him, and of course, where I found him. Bro. Right, so we'll approach the main place here, and somewhere near this central building here is where they should be. So ultimately, likely somewhere inside of here. And there we go, we got rid of them. They were standing right here, which is, well, pretty much somewhere here near the open spot over here. Once you've taken them down, that's pretty much it. You can head back. Obviously, if you have more kills here, then get them before you go. Now, as for what they look like, pushing up on them, this is what they look like. Nothing too crazy. And they have a kitted AK-74M on them. That's pretty cool. But ultimately, it's pretty difficult to spot them. Handing in the timber quest, there we go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.